like boats. I don't like boats.
You wanna sit back here with Dad?
No. Go back. Go back. I'll go back home.
I'm taking a video.
Don't go that one. Don't make me fall. Go there. Oh, let's go back home. I'll go back home.
Come on, Benjamin.
I'll go back home. I'll go back home.
You're killing me, Benjamin.
Hey,
I'll go back home.
Your head's in the way. Your hair's in the way.
I'll go back home.
so somebody tell me what we
Go back.
Straight.
Go back.
What are you gonna do when we're out in the middle of the lake, Benjamin? I'm gonna have...
Don't head in that.
Hey, this runs kind of like your Prius. It's quiet.
You ain't gonna head
I
it.
think it uses a little more gas though.
Yeah.
Yeah, these things, boats get horrible gas mileage. They're about the most unfuel efficient.
If you go fast, I guess it uses too much gas.
No,
They hold so much.
don't touch
Come here,
me.
sit by me. Don't you want to sit by Grandma? Grandma will keep you safe. Come here. Sit by Grandma.
The gas shortage was going on.
Oh,
They're
let's
waking up.
go back.
So you guys want to just go somewhere and stop?